is going to be episode 3, so you don't really hear me because I'm a technical producer here. Okay. It should end a lot longer than I thought. We'll end at day 1 and we'll put it on the computer.
Yay, Phil.
That's right.
Damn you. Huh? I go close to it all the time. I'm scared because I'm looking up on top of the
8. Press it. It's gonna end real soon now. So.